Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to start with chapter 2, that is Python operators. In this chapter, we are going to learn on Python operators, operator precedence, operator associativity, and few example problems on operators. So let us begin with Python operators. Operators are special symbols that perform operations on one or two operands, because we have unary operators and binary operators. And operands may be variables, values, or collections, or any other entity in Python. So the types of Python operators are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, and special operators. Since special operators also require the knowledge of collections in Python, we will discuss special operators when we complete with the collections in Python. So let's understand the first operator, that is arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. And following table shows the different arithmetic operators and their operation with an example. Now let us see how to use these operators in Python. Let us define two variables holding some integer value. X is equal to 10 and y is equal to 3. Okay. So now the first arithmetic operation we are going to perform is addition. So let z be another variable which holds addition of x and y. Okay, let us print the sum of x and y. Okay, similarly the second operation is subtraction. Now I can use the same variable z equal to x minus y and print that as well. The next operation is multiplication. The next operation we can perform is division, x by y. So let me print that as well. Okay, now the next operation, sorry, I forgot to mention this, division. So the next operation we have is modulo, which actually returns the remainder of the operation. So it divides x by y and remainder will be stored as a result. Let us print the same. Exponential. Z equal to x exponent y. Here the result stored in z is x to the power y. That is, our value was 10. 10 to the power 3 is the result what we are going to get. Okay. So last operator we are going to use is floor division. This is a very important type of division where we can see that result is flowed towards negative infinity. What do I mean by that? I will explain with the help of two examples. Let me take first x by y. Okay, so this is 10 by 3 in simple words. I will print this result. FLR1, flow division 1. Okay, now let me take another example where x flow division of minus y I will do. So this is equivalent to 10 floor division of minus 3. Okay, let us now execute these codes and see what result we get. You can see sum is 13, 10 plus 3 is 13, subtraction is 7, 10 minus 3 is 7, 10 into 3 is 30. Let me print x and y as well so that we get the clear idea. So 10 and 3 are the values which have been stored in x and y. The result of the sum is 13, subtraction is 7, product is 30, division is 3.3. Okay, please note this one because this is useful in floor, identifying the floor division as well. Modulo is 1 because when you divide 10 by 3, the remainder is 1. That's why modulo returns 1. X power y, that is 10 to the power 3, is 1000. Floor division, you can see for a positive number, that is x floor division y, we are getting 3. So it is rounded off to the previous digit because of positive value. Rounded off to the previous digit or towards 0. Okay. Now x floor division minus y, it is rounding off the value to the minus 4, which is towards negative infinity. This is how all the arithmetic operators work, especially the floor division. Since operators take a lot of time, I am going to end this video here, and in next video I am going to discuss on assignment operators. If you like this video, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.